Good morning, 6th grade. If you are watching this video, either you are doing this after class, so I've already set it up with you, or 2, you don't have all the supplies you need to do the activity. So I am going to kind of give you a way to do it with easy supplies that you can find around the house. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this setup. So what you needed was something that could roll, tape, or I'm going to give you one alternative here. You needed a ramp, and you needed something to time with. So you can use your phone, you can use your computer, or anything else that you have a stopwatch feature on. So let me flip it around here so I can show you what I did for setup. So for mine, first thing I did was I made my ramp. My ramp is just made of an old greeting card and a couple things that are piled up behind it to make it a sloped surface. It doesn't need to be really extreme. Honestly, I just made mine a very, very shallow ramp. Then what you do is you can take a ruler, or if you have another object, if you have a piece of paper, it works about the same. And what you do is you put it at the end of your ramp and you measure out 30 centimeters to the next part. Make sure that you mark off what each location is on yours. Take it, second ruler length to 60 centimeters, and then third to 90 centimeters. So you should have your ramp and your points marked off. Next thing you need is something that can roll. So for me, I'm going to use chapstick, but you could easily use a marble, a ball. I could use my peanut container if I had enough things to kind of roll down it if I wanted to. Could use the can of dog food I have sitting here. I could use my sprinkles that I have sitting here. Anything that can roll. So anything ball shaped or cylinder shaped will work for this. So like I said, easily you can use a piece of paper. A typical piece of paper, like the one I have taped to Remus's tank, is about 11.5 inches, which is a little under 30 centimeters. So if you use three sheets of paper, it should work out very similarly to what we have for my setup. Now for the activity, what you're going to do, the first round you do it, let me back up a little bit here, is you're going to drop it down on here. You're going to start it when it reaches 0 and stop it when it reaches 30. So here we go. Trial 1. Start, stop. Okay. Start, stop. 2. And start, stop. That's 3. Then you do 60 centimeters. Start, stop. I'm not sending this down straight. Okay. Start, stop. So that should be 3 and 60. Then you do 3 on 90. Start, stop. Then start, stop. And final one. Start. I didn't do it. I lied. Start, stop. So then what you need to do is you need to calculate the average. So you take each of your different trials here, the numbers that you got, you add them up, you divide by 3, and that should be your average time. And then you do the speed calculations. So you do distance, so either 30 centimeters, 60 centimeters, or 90 centimeters divided by the average time that you got. Please take your time, work this out. You're going to be answering the questions that go along with this as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us during office hours and we can help you.